What are the types of fiscal policy? So there are two types of fiscal policies which are used in different scenarios. One is your expansionary fiscal policy and the other is contractionary fiscal policy. So expansionary fiscal policy is used in a situation when the economy is slowing down, when the economic growth of the country is in trouble. The demand is not a lot, there's not a lot of demand in the economy. People don't have a lot of money to spend on things, or the industries are hard hit. And a very relatable example, I would say, is the 2020 COVID time, when the industries were not performing well. People were facing financial issues because salaries were not being credited on time, businesses were not growing that well. So the demand had basically gone down, and there was an economic slowdown in the country as well as across the world. So in that scenario, there was an expansionary fiscal policy that the government had introduced to boost money supply in the economy, to give more money to the hands of public. And an example would be the fiscal stimulus of 20 lakh crore that was given under the Atmanirbhar Bharat package. So through this, government gave direct money to people into their accounts so that they can spend more money on things and the demand of the economy can go up. So expansionary fiscal policy is used when the government increases its spending or reduces taxes. This is another example. The income tax rebate happens, the taxation goes down, the corporate tax is decreased. When the taxes go down, automatically people have more money at their disposal. They can generate more demand, and in turn, the economy will boost. So this is where we use expansionary fiscal policy. And the second is the exact opposite, which is the contractionary fiscal policy. This comes into picture when the inflation in the economy is too high, when the demand has gone up a lot, and automatically when the demand of a thing increases, its price also increases. So when there is a lot of money supply in the economy, the demands are constantly going up, the prices of goods are becoming unreasonably high. That is when the government follows a contractionary fiscal policy, where it kinds of takes that money away, the extra money away from the economic supply. And how is this done? So this could be done by cutting down on the subsidies, by increasing the taxes, let's say increasing your direct taxes, your indirect taxes, or giving lesser benefits under the direct benefit schemes, cutting the subsidies that you're giving under different schemes. So when all these things happen, the ultimate aim is to withdraw the excess money that is in the supply of economy, and reduce the prices of goods to a reasonable level. So these are the two types of fiscal policies, expansionary and contractionary.